Hey guys, so this is a quick video. Plitch versus WeMod. What are the things that you need to know? So focus on WeMod is a single player game enhancement, and for Plitch is like single player exploration. Game library for WeMod is a little bit higher comparing to Plitch, but you can actually compare it with games on both sides. Plitch is more complex, just a little bit, not much. And both got free version, and you can upgrade it to premium with Plitch and with WeMod to the pro. Also, the community is better for WeMod, it's much larger, and customization for WeMod is less comparing to Plitch. So that's pretty much what I want to share with you. Another thing is that if you want to use WeMod, let's say, it works directly with mratifan, which is a huge plus. So I just want to make this like really quick and effective video. What is the comparison between both? I hope it provides you value and helps you on your journey. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.